why we haven't seen you for quite a while.
Yes. Okay. Yes, nag-focus ako talaga sa pag-build ng brand. And I know, nag-usap kami ng manager ko na hindi ako makaka-focus kapag tumanggap ako ng project.
Right.
So finally, ngayon, feeling ko makakabalik na.
But aside from the personal goals, sabi mo wala ka mahanap na skincare na right for you and for your needs. Ano ba yung goal mo talaga? Why you built Wild Skin?
I wanted to see confident people. Kasi alam kong hindi lang ako yung may pinagdaanan. Marami ang may pinagdaanan ko. And ang hirap ng wala kang confidence na umarap mo sa mga tao. It feels like it's eating you alive. So, yeah, I'm just so glad na matutulungan nito yung mga taong may pinagdaanan kagaya.
So, may dagdag na sa portfolio mo, hindi na award-winning actor na, CEO ka na rin.
Oh my gosh. Hindi ko pa manamnam.
Okay. Pero you feel that, I just wanna say this na may competition, ang dami ng skincare brands now, Christian.
Yeah, correct.
So, makikipag-compete ka na rin doon.
Hindi naman siguro compete. Siguro ako naniniwala ako may kanya-kanyang space ang bawat isa sa market. So, more than competing, siguro ito yung dadagdagan ko lang yung opportunity na makukuha ng mga tao.
Sinabi mo kanina na now you're gonna go back to what you love, no, yung acting. Ano bang mga projects that you're working on right now?
For now, inego pa si Mac, yung
Meron tayong isa, streaming.
Meron daw kaming isa. But yeah, surprise na lang siguro.
I was just in Korea with Daniel last week, no? Tapos nominated doon Saving Grace for different categories. At the same time, you got recognition, the show got recognition in the Asian Academy Creative Awards. Ano yung pakiramdam ng the show is getting so much recognition?
Oh my goodness. Of course, I'm happy, but more than anything, si Julia Montes, sobra akong natutuwa for her, for Zia, for everyone.
Zia just won. Diba?
Yeah.
Sa katatapos lang na,
Yes.
what was that? It's an award-giving body din, diba? Creative awards din yan.
Yes. Na talagang nag-pay off lahat ng hard work. More than anyone else, si Julia siya kasi Zia talaga yung pinaka-babad ng Saving Grace eh. So sobrang deserve.
Takot sa'yo yung bata eh. Na-trauma na sa'yo yung bata. Because of it's a type fish. Okay. And Hannah, kata na ka ba?
Sure, okay nila.
Okay, thanks.
Bakit Wild Skin?
Go lang.
Why Wild Skin? Because confidence and healing doesn't always come pretty. Sometimes or most of the time, it comes wild. So Wild Skin. Yeah. And trivia, binuo ko tong Wild Skin habang kumakain ako sa wild flower. Ganti, life-changing, di ba?
Richard, parang ever ina-offer
Yung line na to, this is actually a gift for myself. I'm in an industry where perfection is a must. And sadly, I'm not perfect. I'm far from being perfect. And it took me a very long time to finally accept that. So finally, nung na-accept ko na siya, and ako mismo, naghanap ako ng solusyon dun sa problems ko. Wild Skin.
Richard, parang ever since naman maganda yung skin mo, ano yung sinasabi mo na parang pinagdaanan mo na parang yun ang naging inspiration mo to build this?
You know how cruel our industry is, di ba? Minsan makakarinig ka na, tawag nito, pangit niya, hindi siya perfect, ganun. So for quite some time, it affected me a lot. But I came to a point na tama na. It's about time for me to embrace my skin.
Can you share lang bakit ito yung core products na pinupos mo for your
Kasi ito yung core products na kailangan ko. So, I thought, marami rin nangangailangan ito. A facial cleanser na andun lahat ng actives. So, hindi ka magiging oily the whole day. Habang naghihilamos ka, yung benefits ng mga serums na usually binibili mo isa-isa, andun na. And then meron tayong morning serum na mayroon ng SPF. And then evening serum na kumpleto na lahat. So basically all of our products are all in one. So lahat ng mga serums na niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, isa-isa yung binibili yan eh. So ito infused na sa lahat.
In that span, or in that 4 years, ano yung biggest challenge you encountered?
Biggest challenge? Yung wala akong idea at first sa kung anong gagawin ko. Basta alam ko gusto ko siyang gawin. And then, sometime, somewhere, nag-open ang mga doors for me. Unti-unti ko siyang natutunan, nalaman. And then, yeah. Kagaya nung pagiging actor, kung di ko naman inisip na magiging ganito ako before. Dahil wala naman akong kakilala sa showcase. And somehow, God opened doors of opportunities for me.
Available na ba siya sa market and how much or how